How long have you been considering making changes to your house? Is it too cramped, but you don't know where to add on? Do you have wasted space? Do you feel like it doesn't flow well, but you don't really know how to reconfigure it or how to open it up, or if you can take out that wall? Maybe you're thinking, I'll talk to an architect when I figure all of that out.
So if you answered yes to any of these questions, or are at all thinking about making changes to your home, you are not alone. Most people have an idea of what they want to change, but they think they need to know exactly what they want to change before they can even talk to an architect.
But the good news is you don't have to figure it out. We will ask you the right questions. We'll delve deeper so that we can really understand what the problem is, understand your life, how you live, how you want to live, but maybe your house doesn't accommodate that. So what we do is we help you uncover your wish list.
So we'll ask you questions like, do you entertain? Do you want to entertain? How many people? What types of gatherings do you have or want to have? Formal, informal, inside, outside? Are you looking for your home to be your refuge? We'll ask you whatever questions we need to in order to discover what it is you really want, how you want to live, and how you want to feel.
Because we ask the right questions, we help you to get clarity on what it is that you truly want. And by doing this, we help you get your dream house.
So give us a call today and we'll start asking you those questions that we need to in order to help you transform your life by transforming your house.